Well,
arrest everybody then. Everybody going to jail. Everybody going to jail. And I know y'all anybody.
Look at him. Look at him.
There they go.
Who pulling out a stick? Who pulling out a stick? Put your last.
oh, this ain't Selma, this ain't 1965. Now, if we been peaceful,
We being peaceful.
with old 1965 Confederacy, within 1965 Confederacy,
Oh, what are you doing?
we been being peaceful. You want to pull nightsticks on us? This ain't 1965. Promise this ain't 1965. Bernard Lafayette taught me.
Don't try it. Y'all on video.
Lock your doors to your cars. Get in your car.
I'm proud to be at y'all service, but what they not gonna do. The police lied. They still lied. They still lied. Like they protect and serve, but they want to pull out nightsticks while we being peaceful. They didn't pull out no guns. They didn't pull out no tasers. They didn't pull out no sticks for them people that was trying to run over people in the streets. Who do they protect and who do they serve? We already know it ain't us. Go head in head. Our streets. Our streets. Our streets. Shut it down. We shutting it down. Shut it down. They fault. They fault. They fault. You okay?
Good, yeah. Well, he's about to run me off with the car.
Yeah, we seen him.
Like, really?
They fault. They fault. They fault. Shut it down. Shut it down.
Shut it down.
They fault. They fault. They fault. I'll put the Sealy on them. Till y'all do right by us. Until y'all do right by us. Everything y'all even think about gonna crumble. That's right, we fighting for justice. Tell your family back home. We fighting for justice. It's illegal not to be white in America if you let them tell it. Was this the American dream y'all came for? Nah, they ain't jumping, they talking. They pulling over the look.
You can't move now. We get freedom now. You can't move now.
Here come the car.
Right. Who is these?
Let them pile it up. That's what we want.
Right, that's what we want.
Let them pile it up.
Pile it up, baby. Pile it up.
There is every bit of 100 police that's waiting at the top of the ramp for us.
Heard.
Our cars are. I need everybody to put your hood up. Put your hood up. Our cars are broke down. Listen. This is not a game. It's 100 police up here ready to arrest everybody.
Right.
Listen up. Listen up. Put your hood up, and what we're going to do is get in your cars and lock your doors. We still need help. Our cars are broken down. Our cars are broken down.
Put your hood up. Y'all, they think it's Selma 1965. They pulling out billy clubs. I'm just waiting for the tear gas. I hope somebody got milk in their car. Thank everybody for their prayers and concern. We gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. Man, I'm telling y'all, I'm a student of self. And when I tell you they got 1965 all in their face, I meant that. Oh, we very careful. But just know they got like police from about the surrounding 4 jurisdictions coming out. As you see, we got our hoods up. Hood up. Huh? They blocked it. Hey, they helping us shut it down, really. They trying to get their little billy clubs out, etc. They are calling the tow track.
We're gonna get everybody get in car, put your hood up. All night. They need to come help us with our cars. The cars broke down. We need some help. Send some help. Our cars are broken down. We need some help. We need some help. The cars are broken down.
Yeah, we got support from California out here.
The hoods are up.
Support from Virginia out here. Support from Atlanta out here. Support from St. Louis out here.
Man, you blocking the line.
Tell me that's right. We got the hoods up so we can let them know that our cars broke down. Our cars are broke down. We shutting it down because our cars are broke down. Look here. We're gonna get us a little warming station. They came out on. He really thought he was, child, and that's how they roll. Oh, if you didn't know, they were calling us the N-word yesterday. The police was calling us the N-words yesterday. Out loud, because we know they kind of do it on the sly. You know they ain't offering to give us a ride, Lisa. Lisa's so funny. Woo!
This is how we fight. This is how we get justice.
What's wrong with the Jeep?
Oh my word!
What's wrong with the Jeep?
Word!
This thing new. I don't know. What's wrong with the Jeep? It won't start. Oh my goodness! Can somebody help me this morning?
Oh my word! Your car needs justice to move.
Justice, help! Help! Is it my arm? It's justice. I think it's the radio. Justice. You gotta fight.
Our car needs justice to move.
Did y'all shut down my engine like y'all shut down the exit? Oh, I don't know.
Thank y'all for coming. You know what I'm saying? I heard. I'm right behind you, Sam. They did call Martez an N-word. He wasn't the only one. What's going on down there?
They're coming up with some
They got the bus on our asses. They got the bus on our asses.
Oh, I feel the children's march in my soul. I feel the children's march, child. They bought the bus. They bought the whole bus. I guess they said if we schooling, they bringing out the bus. Yeah, try to get it so y'all can see it. They got the whole bus. It's a bus down there. You might can't see it yet. Huh? Shut it down! Shut it down! Huh?
Please get in your car.
As long as they'll move, we might leave.
I know. I don't
tell the man at the end to leave, but we might too.
I don't want to have to tow any cars or put
So
anybody
again,
in
if
jail.
you tell the man at the end to move, we might leave.
That's where I'm headed.
All right, let's get it. I'm talking about that one. I'm talking about the blue lights. I ain't talking about my people. I'm talking about yours. You feel me? Yeah.
I feel you.
Talking about yours. Yeah, we still technically in Hoover. Yeah, we still technically in Hoover. I'm using my non-violence direct action and negotiation. Because we might. And we might not. That's right. We out here in Birmingham, well, right outside of Birmingham in Hoover on 459. We are out here with the shutdown. We blocking traffic. We need justice for our cars to move. It looks like we finna round it up. Let's go. And they better not mess with us no more. McDuffie! What a little lady. Okay. McDuffie. And tell them don't be following us home either. We on 459. Moving. That's funny. Here, hold this for me so I can drive and put your seatbelts on. Move it. Come on now, trying to go now. Alright, just don't follow people home tonight, okay? Thank you. We ain't playing with them. Now, y'all do what we say. They about to stay truth out. Okay.
Okay.
Shoot, they supposed to be working. Yeah. Better luck next time.
Well, Records.
Better luck next time.
Well, Records.
Nah, 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 nah.
Nah, 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 nah.
They better not follow.
Hey. To the.
Now look, I'm gonna pull over and make sure most everybody get on out of here. Pull over a little further at. I mean, shut it down, baby. All the way around, baby. Shut it down. All the way around.